Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. I am Anna, and I feel very, very happy today. The sun is shining, and I feel very relaxed.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom. I am also very happy. I feel calm today. Today is a special day because we are talking about a very beautiful topic. We are talking about a quiet weekend at home.
Yes, Tom, a quiet weekend. No work, no stress, no rush, just peace and rest. I love these days. How do you feel when the weekend starts, Tom?
Anna, I feel wonderful. On Friday night, I feel a big smile on my face. I think, wow, I have 2 days to rest. I love my home. My home is my favorite place. It is warm and it is quiet.
My home is my favorite place too. Friends, do you like your home? Is your home quiet? Tell us in the comments. We love to read your comments. Please subscribe to our channel if you like learning English with us.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. And give us a like. If you like this video, we can make more videos for you. We love being your teachers. We love this community of English learners.
Today, we are going to speak slowly. We want you to understand every word. We want you to feel the calm of the weekend. Tom, tell me about your Saturday morning. Do you use an alarm on Saturday?
No. No alarm on Saturday. That is the best part. I sleep until my eyes open naturally. I stay in bed for a long time. The bed is so soft. The blankets are so warm. I feel like a cat.
I love that feeling. I am like a cat too. I don't want to move. I look at the ceiling. I listen to the birds outside. The weather today is perfect for staying in bed. It is a little cold outside, but my bed is very hot and nice.
Exactly. When I finally get up, I walk very slowly. I don't run. On Monday, I run. On Tuesday, I run. But on Saturday, I walk like a slow turtle. I go to the kitchen, I make a cup of coffee.
Coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. It is a delicious smell. It is a happy smell. I make tea. I like green tea with honey. It makes me feel healthy. I sit by the window and I look at the garden.
That is so peaceful, Anna. I also sit by the window. I watch the people walking their dogs. Everyone looks happy on Saturday. There is no hurry. I take a sip of my coffee. It is warm. My hands feel warm.
Warm is a good word. My tea is warm, my sweater is warm, my house is warm. I love being warm when it is cold outside. Tom, what do you do after your coffee? Do you clean the house?
No cleaning on a quiet weekend. I want to relax. I take a book. I love reading books. I sit on my big sofa. The sofa is very comfortable. I read one page, then another page. I learn new things and I imagine new worlds.
Reading is a great plan. I also love to read, but sometimes I just like to listen to music. I put on some soft music, not loud music, quiet music. I close my eyes and I just listen. It's like a massage for my mind.
Music is very important for the soul. I agree. Sometimes I play the guitar. I am not a professional, but I play simple songs. It makes me feel creative. Friends, do you play an instrument? Do you like music? Tell us.
Yes, tell us in the comments. We want to know your hobbies. Learning English is also a hobby. You are here with us, and that is a great way to spend a quiet weekend. You are learning and you are resting.
You were right, Anna. This is a very good habit. Speaking of habits, I love to cook on the weekend, but I cook simple food. Maybe an omelet or some pasta. I don't want to spend 5 hours in the kitchen.
Simple is better. I love simple food too. I make a big salad with tomatoes and cucumbers. It is fresh. It is easy. On the weekend, I don't want to follow difficult instructions. I want everything to be easy.
Easy is our favorite word, right? We want English to be easy, and we want the weekend to be easy. After lunch, I usually take a nap. Do you know what a nap is, friends? A nap is a short sleep in the afternoon.
Oh, I love naps. I take a nap for 30 minutes. When I wake up, I feel new. I feel like a new person. The afternoon is very quiet. The sun starts to go down. The light is orange and beautiful.
The orange light of the afternoon is very romantic. I look at the trees. I see the leaves moving in the wind. I feel very grateful. I am grateful for my home. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for this moment.
Gratitude is very important, Tom. I feel grateful too. I am happy to be here with you. I am happy to talk to our friends. Sometimes on Saturday afternoon, I don't use my phone. No internet, no social media.
That is a very good idea. A digital detox. No phone, no computer. Just the real world. Just the house. Just the silence. Silence is very beautiful when you have a busy life during the week.
Yes, silence is a gift. I sit on the floor and I do some stretches. I move my arms, I move my legs. I breathe deeply, in and out, in and out. It feels very good. My body feels light and happy.
I should do that too. I usually sit too much on the sofa, but stretching is good for the back. After stretching, I like to watch a movie. A happy movie, a funny movie. I don't like sad movies on my quiet weekend.
Me neither. I want to laugh. I watch a comedy. I eat some popcorn. Popcorn is the best friend of a movie. I sit with a big blanket on my legs. I feel so cozy. Cozy is a very important word for the weekend.
Cozy means comfortable and warm, like a hug. My house is cozy. My bed is cozy. This conversation is cozy. I am enjoying this very much. Anna, do you feel tired at the end of a quiet day?
No, I don't feel tired. I feel rested. I feel full of energy for the next week. When the night comes, I look at the stars. The sky is dark and the stars are bright. It is a perfect end for a perfect day.
It sounds like a dream. A quiet weekend is a dream. We don't need to travel. We don't need to spend a lot of money. We only need our home and a quiet heart. That is the secret of happiness.
That is a beautiful thought, Tom. A quiet heart. Friends, we hope you have a quiet heart today. We hope you enjoy your home and your rest. You work very hard. You deserve a beautiful weekend.
Yes, you deserve it. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for listening to our simple English. We are very proud of you. Every word you understand is a victory. Every minute you listen is progress.
Please don't forget to like this video and comment, "I love my quiet weekend," or tell us, "I like coffee," or "I like books." We want to see your English. We are here to help you every step of the way.
We are a big family. Mr. Fluent English Channel is your home too. We are happy to be your friends. I am Tom, and I wish you a very, very peaceful night and a wonderful rest.
And I'm Anna. Thank you for your love and your support. We see you in the next video. Stay calm, stay happy, and keep practicing your English. Goodbye, friends. See you very soon.